Good evening. Where's the dude?
What dude?
You know, the guy we're supposed to meet up with?
Oh yeah, he's coming. Here he is.
Yes, here I am. So this is about Johnny, right?
Yeah. Aren't you a little nervous? This guy does have Johnny in his custody.
Oh my God!
That was our video, guys.